What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Taster's Choice. Today, we're doing a quick and easy queso. Today, we're using a premium sausage that we got from Walmart. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you like. Let's get this chopped up, let's get it cooked, and let's get this video moving. As you can see, I did not add any seasonings. That was my preference. But you're more than welcome to add whatever you want to yours. To me, I didn't want it, didn't need it. We got mild cheddar, pepper jack, Velveeta. Add your sausage and a can of Rotel. Bake on 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. And look at that. Don't they look good? Man, we smashed. Thank you for stopping by the Taster's Choice. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.